Hey, what I've got here is a Z-Edge dash cam, $124 prime shipping. Pretty cool little dash cam. I've been looking for a dash cam, and I wanted one that I can use when I'm driving, but also that I can flip around and use to do those kind of rant videos on the YouTubes that people tend to do in their car. Because I got a lot to say, right? Got lots to say. I don't have time to do a whole lot of videos. So when I got the opportunity to review this, I jumped on it. So it's pretty cool when you look at it. It's basically just a little digital camera, right? Pretty light. It's very light. It comes with the vacuum screw-on mounting plate, a really long cord, a shorter cord. Comes with the micro SD card up here at the top, car charger, little stick-on clips that you can use to route this long cord, and a couple of quick start guides and a microfiber cleaning cloth. Now what I like about this one particular, right, is that it is set up so if you have it plugged into your auxiliary port on the car, when you start the car, the camera will start. And it has several different settings. You look in the quick start guide, and you can set it for Daily Commute, which means that, you know, it'll turn on when the car comes on, and it will only work when you are moving. You can have it just to continuous record. When it fills up the card, it will start back over, so it'll loop. You can set it for road trip, so it will record longer clips. You can set it up for parking, for like parking security. So if you know, somebody comes up and gets in the car, it will do motion detection. Right? Yeah, dog likes it too. And that's pretty cool. So I can set it up for like basically security. So if somebody comes in my car, it will take a picture of them. You can turn the screen on the back on or off, and you can control the quality. The very high definition that records for, like, you know, less time, or lower definition that records for longer periods of time. So what I'll do is I'll go set this up in the car, and we can take a look at it. Alright, see it's recording. Got it in parking mode, and when I got in the car, it started recording. We could turn it around so it could record the inside of the house. Cable comes up top, comes down, and I've just got it plugged in there. Alright, simple little vacuum sticker there, stick it up there, popped in. I could take the little clamps and you know, stick in there and then press that in to route it, but I'm only using the short cord. The long cord's long enough I could run it around, up around the top here, and down and around, but I don't want to mess with all that. I think what I need to do is show you what the quality is of the recording. We'll do that next. Okay, here it is in parking mode. Pretty clear, not bad. Alright, here it is in driving mode. I'm just backing the car up to park it under the carport. Looks pretty good.